In the previous video, I taught you how to prepare your bumper for painting. This time, I will show you how to paint a bumper. Welcome to Draft Project's How to Paint Your Bumper Part 2. Now that everything is prepared, grab a masking tape and cover those areas you don't want to paint. I want my grill to be black, so I'm going to mask up the edges of the grill. It doesn't matter if I overspray, since I will be painting it white later. Here I have a matte black spray paint and I will be using it on the grill. I will only put one coat each grill. While waiting for it to dry, I will start painting the rear bumper. Be sure to shake your spray paint for 1 minute and spray it upside down before painting. I will just spray it lightly on the first coat. Let it dry for 15 minutes. For the second coat, I will try to cover all areas by spraying moderately. The bumper is looking great. Need to let it dry for 15 minutes before I put the last coating. But I decided to continue tomorrow. This is the last coating. I need to make sure that everything is covered evenly. And since this is the last coat, let it dry for 30 minutes. Next is the front bumper. Here I need to make sure to mask up the grill properly to prevent overspray. Front bumper is ready for painting. Just like what I did to the rear bumper, I will spray it lightly on the first coat. First coat is done. Same curing time. Try to cover all areas on the second coat. For the last coat, make sure to cover everything. While waiting for it to dry, I decided to paint this base plate to prevent it from rusting, sanding all the rust and cleaning it. I'll be spraying it with matte black paint. Now that both bumpers are dry, time to spray it with clear coat. Since I am not aiming for a perfect result, I will only put one moderate coat on the bumper. If you will polish it after painting, make sure to put 3 clear coats. One clear coat is too thin for polishing. You might remove the clear coat after buffing it. In my case, I will not polish it, so one coat is enough for me. When you're finished painting, as much as possible, remove the masking while it is wet. This is to prevent it from peeling the paint. My bumper is a bit dry and I had difficulties in removing the masking on the grille. I also realized that maybe it is better to paint the front bumper before the grille. In that way, you can have a smooth and perfect result. Now that both bumper is finished, the best curing time is to let it sit for 1 day. Before we're installing the front bumper, there is a small metal piece that can be adjusted by regular pliers. Adjust it to fit the bumper correctly. Reinstall everything back to its place. Here's how it looks like now. It is much better than the black bumper. The only reason why it was equipped with black bumpers because this Civic is a base model back in the 90s. Before driving anywhere else, don't forget to install your license plate. So there you have it. I hope you appreciate this video. Please don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you for watching and God bless.